Uh-oh.
ideas. So as an example, let's take your song Property, which we're going to hear next. It starts with this observation of a cemetery being prime real estate. And when you have an idea like that, do you make a voice memo? Do you write it down? Or is it just, you just hold on to it?
I usually would do a voice memo. There probably is a very rudimentary voice memo.
Watch.
I demoed it here in the garage. I just watched that Rolling Thunder documentary.
Which images?
That was out last year.
Holy shit.
Inspirational. It's not really about
What?
What the heck is that? I never seen that before.
What the hell?
You pranked us.
Hey.
That's not a train. It's a car train. It's a truck
the
train.
shape of the song
What the heck?
and the sort of style it might be
Get
played
back
in,
here.
but I don't try to finish it because I know that
We're chasing that ass.
Come on, come on, come on.
There's another one.
Oh no.
We're getting attacked.
Oh no, this is bad.
Vocals from now.
Holy crap.
It's Property.
Get back here. Hey.
Get back here, loser. Can we see it? Can we see it? Can we see it? Holy shit. We're gonna see it again. Oh, there it goes again. Here it goes again. Here it goes again. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Holy shit. Wait, here comes another one. Here comes another one.
100 years from now, someone tell me how.
What the hell is this?
The urge to turn it into
It must be sound like a parade or something.
Sounds like a parade.
property. Money making property.
It's a dump truck, but it has railroad tracks on it.
God damn, I thought it was a train, but it's not.
This is open print.